Number 10. Salamanca, also known as the Golden City. Salamanca is a city steeped in history, with golden sandstone buildings that shimmer in the sunlight. At its heart lies the University of Salamanca, one of the oldest in Europe, which has shaped the city into an intellectual hub since its founding in 1218. The Plaza Mayor, with its elegant Baroque design, serves as the lively center of Salamanca, drawing both locals and visitors to its cafes and shops. The old and new cathedrals are iconic landmarks that dominate the skyline of Salamanca. Visitors can climb the towers for panoramic views of the city. The Casa de las Conchas, adorned with over 300 stone shells, is another highlight and a symbol of pilgrimage. Salamanca's pedestrian-friendly streets are perfect for leisurely strolls, each turn revealing a piece of history. By night, Salamanca transforms into a vibrant city buzzing with youthful energy. The presence of students from around the world brings a contemporary vibe to this historic gem. Traditional tapas bars, live music, and street performances make the evenings as enchanting as the days. Tip: visit during sunset to capture the golden glow of Salamanca's unique sandstone architecture. Don't forget to search for the hidden frog on the university facade. It's said to bring good luck. Fact: Salamanca was the site of one of Europe's first public dissections, a testament to its pioneering role in education and science. How do you think a city that blends centuries-old tradition with a youthful energy can inspire creativity? Number 9. Cordoba, also known as the City of Three Cultures. Cordoba is a city that proudly showcases its rich history as a convergence of Jewish, Christian and Muslim influences. The Mezquita Cathedral is its crowning glory, an awe-inspiring mosque turned cathedral, where Islamic arches coexist with Christian altars. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the city's layered history and spiritual significance. Wandering through the Jewish quarter, visitors encounter narrow cobblestone streets, charming courtyards, and the historic Synagogue of Cordoba, one of the few remaining in Spain. The Roman bridge spanning the Guadalquivir River offers a scenic route and a reminder of Cordoba's ancient roots. Every corner of the city tells a story, blending old traditions with modern life. Cordoba's allure isn't limited to its historic sites. The city bursts into life during the Patio Festival in May, when locals decorate their courtyards with vibrant flowers. Markets filled with crafts, spices, and local delicacies add to the sensory experience, making Cordoba a city that delights every traveler. Tip: plan your visit during the Patio Festival in May for a once-in-a-lifetime experience and enjoy traditional Andalusian dishes at local taverns. Fact: Cordoba was home to Europe's largest library during the 10th century, housing over 400,000 manuscripts. How do you think Cordoba's fusion of different cultures has shaped its unique identity? Number 8. Bilbao, also known as the gateway to the Basque country. Bilbao is a dynamic city that masterfully combines its industrial past with artistic innovation. The Guggenheim Museum is the city's most iconic landmark, a titanium-clad architectural marvel that has become a global symbol of modern art. Along the Nervión River, Bilbao's transformation from a gritty port city to a cultural hub is evident in its striking skyline and waterfront developments. The historic Casco Viejo, or Old Town, offers a different charm. Its narrow streets are lined with pinzo bars serving small flavorful dishes unique to the Basque region. Traditional markets like La Ribera Market provide a glimpse into local life, while the Plaza Nueva serves as a lively gathering spot. Bilbao seamlessly balances its modern energy with its deeply rooted traditions. Surrounding Bilbao, the Basque country's rugged coastline adds an extra layer of allure. A short trip from the city takes visitors to San Juan de Gaztelugatxe, a stunning islet with a winding staircase leading to a cliffside chapel. This contrast between urban sophistication and natural beauty makes Bilbao a destination unlike any other. Tip: don't leave Bilbao without taking a stroll along the river and sampling a selection of pinzos in Casco Viejo. Fact: the Guggenheim Museum's design includes over 33,000 titanium panels, each uniquely shaped to create its iconic structure. Do you think Bilbao's transformation into a cultural hotspot is one of the most inspiring urban stories? Number 7. Seville, also known as the flamenco capital. Seville, the heart of Andalusia, enchants visitors with its rich history and vibrant culture. The city's most famous landmark, the Alcazar of Seville, is a stunning blend of Mudéjar, Gothic, and Renaissance architecture. This royal palace, still in use today, offers visitors a chance to explore its intricate halls, lush gardens, and storied past. Nearby, the Seville Cathedral, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world, houses the tomb of Christopher Columbus. The Barrio Santa Cruz, Seville's historic Jewish quarter, is a maze of narrow streets, flower-filled patios, and whitewashed buildings. Wandering through its alleys, you'll discover hidden squares, quaint cafes, and artisan shops that embody the city's charm. The iconic Giralda Tower, once a minaret, offers panoramic views of Seville's stunning skyline. Seville's evenings come alive with the soulful sounds of flamenco. Attending a performance at a local tableau is an unforgettable experience that immerses you in the passion and rhythm of Andalusian culture. Coupled with its exquisite cuisine, including tapas like jamon iberico and gazpacho, Seville captivates every sense. Tip: take a horse-drawn carriage ride to explore the city's landmarks, and time your visit during the Feria de Abril for a vibrant cultural celebration. Fact: the Alcazar of Seville was used as a filming location for Game of Thrones, doubling as the Water Gardens of Dorne. Would you prefer to explore Seville's historical landmarks or immerse yourself in its lively flamenco culture? Number 6. Valencia, also known as the City of Arts and Sciences. Valencia is a city where history and modernity converge beautifully. Its historic center, dominated by landmarks like the Valencia Cathedral and La Lonja de la Seda, tells the story of its rich past. The cathedral, believed to house the Holy Grail, offers a blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque architecture, while the Silk Exchange is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In contrast, the City of Arts and Sciences is a futuristic complex that showcases Valencia's innovative spirit. Designed by Santiago Calatrava, it includes an opera house, a science museum, an aquarium, and a planetarium. Walking through this architectural marvel feels like stepping into another era, highlighting Valencia's creative energy. Valencia's beaches and parks, such as Malvarosa Beach and Turia Gardens, provide tranquil escapes from the urban bustle. Its vibrant culinary scene, led by the world-famous paella, makes the city a haven for food lovers. Valencia's balance of tradition and innovation ensures there's something for everyone. Tip: visit in March for Las Fallas Festival, a fiery celebration of art and culture. Don't forget to try an authentic Valencian paella by the beach. Fact: the Turia Gardens were created from a diverted riverbed, transforming a flood-prone area into one of Europe's largest urban parks. What aspect of Valencia appeals to you more, the historical charm or the modern innovation? Number 5. San Sebastian, also known as Donostia. San Sebastian is a coastal gem in the Basque Country, famed for its stunning beaches and gastronomic excellence. La Concha Beach, with its crescent-shaped bay and golden sands, is often ranked among the best beaches in Europe. A stroll along the promenade reveals breathtaking views of the sea and the nearby Santa Clara Island. The city's old town, Parte Vieja, is a treasure trove of Basque culture. Its streets are lined with pinxo bars offering creative small plates, from fresh seafood to local cheeses. The San Telmo Museum delves into the region's history, while the Basilica of Saint Mary of the Chorus showcases exquisite Baroque architecture. San Sebastian's culinary scene is unparalleled, boasting more Michelin stars per capita than most cities worldwide. Visitors can also hike up Mount Urgul or Mount Igueldo for panoramic views of the coastline. Whether you're drawn to its beaches, cuisine, or history, San Sebastian is a feast for the senses. Tip: take a Pintixo crawl through Parte Vieja and visit a Michelin-starred restaurant for a truly memorable dining experience. Fact: the city hosts the San Sebastian International Film Festival, one of the most prestigious film events in the world. Would you visit San Sebastian for its beaches, or its food, or its festivals? Number 4. Granada, also known as the city of Alhambra. Granada is a city where history and beauty come together in perfect harmony. The Alhambra, a magnificent palace and fortress complex, stands as a symbol of Spain's Moorish past. Its intricate tilework, tranquil courtyards, and panoramic views of the Sierra Nevada mountains leave visitors in awe. The Generaliffe Gardens, part of the Alhambra, offer a peaceful retreat filled with fountains and lush greenery. Granada's Albayzín district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow, winding streets and whitewashed houses. From the Mirador de San Nicolás, you can enjoy one of the best views of the Alhambra, especially at sunset. This historic neighborhood exudes a timeless charm, with its cobblestone paths and Moorish influences. Granada is also renowned for its tapas culture, where bars serve complimentary tapas with every drink. The city's youthful energy, fueled by its university population, adds a vibrant touch to its ancient soul. Granada is a city that offers a blend of history, culture, and modern flair. Tip: book Alhambra tickets well in advance and explore the Albayzín district during the golden hour for the most stunning views. Fact: the Alhambra's name means the red one in Arabic, referring to the reddish hue of its walls. Would you prefer exploring Granada's historic sites or indulging in its lively tapas culture? Number 3. Madrid, also known as the heart of Spain. Madrid, Spain's capital, is a city that buzzes with energy and creativity. The Royal Palace of Madrid, one of the largest palaces in Europe, is a stunning architectural marvel. Nearby, the Almudena Cathedral showcases modern neo-Gothic design. The city's museums, such as the Prado, Reina Sofia, and Thyssen-Bornemisza, form the golden triangle of art, housing masterpieces from Goya to Picasso. The city's neighborhoods each have their unique character. The historic center, with Plaza Mayor and Puerta del Sol, is ideal for soaking in Madrid's vibrant atmosphere. Malasaña and Chueca are trendy districts brimming with cafes, shops, and nightlife, reflecting Madrid's youthful side. Madrid's green spaces, such as Retiro Park, offer a peaceful escape amidst the urban sprawl. The city's culinary scene is equally diverse, from traditional markets like Mercado de San Miguel to avant-garde restaurants. Madrid truly offers something for every traveler. Tip: explore Madrid on foot to discover its hidden gems and take a day trip to nearby historic towns like Toledo or Segovia. Fact: Madrid's Retiro Park was originally a royal retreat and only became public in the 19th century. What excites you most about Madrid? Its art, its history, or its lively neighborhoods? Number 2. Barcelona, also known as the capital of modernism. Barcelona, the vibrant capital of Catalonia, is a city that embodies creativity, culture, and stunning architecture. The city's most famous architect, Antoni Gaudí, left an indelible mark on Barcelona, with masterpieces like the Sagrada Familia, Parc Güell, and Casa Batlló. The Sagrada Familia, still under construction after more than a century, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see. Its unique design combines Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms, creating a visual spectacle unlike any other. The heart of Barcelona is Las Ramblas, a lively boulevard filled with street performers, markets, and cafes. The Gothic Quarter, with its narrow medieval streets, offers visitors a chance to explore the city's history, while the waterfront area, with its beaches and seafood restaurants, provides a relaxing retreat. The city's parks, including the famous Parc de la Ciutadella, are perfect for leisurely walks. Barcelona's culinary scene is just as impressive as its architecture. The city is known for its tapas, seafood paella, and Catalan specialties like crema catalana. Whether you're exploring the art, enjoying the food, or relaxing on the beach, Barcelona is a city that stimulates the senses. Tip: don't miss the magic fountain of Montjuic light show in the evening, and try local dishes such as pan con tomate and churros. Fact: the Sagrada Familia's design is so intricate that it has been under construction since 1882 and is expected to be completed in 2026, marking Gaudi's centennial. Would you rather explore the architectural wonders of Barcelona or experience the vibrant energy of its streets and beach? Number 1. Ibiza, also known as the White Island. Ibiza, part of Spain's Balearic Islands, is a paradise known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and world-renowned nightlife. While the island is famous for its electrifying clubs and parties, it also boasts a serene and tranquil side. The beaches of Ibiza, such as Cala Comte and Cala d'Hort, are ideal for relaxing, while the UNESCO World Heritage listed Dalt Villa, Old Town, offers a glimpse into the island's history with its narrow streets and ancient fortifications. Ibiza's nightlife is legendary, with iconic clubs like Pacha and Amnesia, drawing global DJs and partygoers. However, the island also offers quieter retreats in its charming villages, such as Santa Eulalia, where visitors can enjoy a more laid-back experience. The island's stunning sunsets at Café del Mar are famous, drawing crowds to the west coast to witness the sky transform into a kaleidoscope of colors. Ibiza's vibrant culture extends beyond its clubs, with traditional markets and lively festivals throughout the year. The island is also known for its delicious Mediterranean cuisine, offering fresh seafood, paella, and local wines. Ibiza is the perfect destination for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. Tip: rent a scooter to explore the hidden beaches and charming villages off the beaten path, and be sure to catch one of Ibiza's legendary sunsets. Fact: Ibiza has a long history as a spiritual destination, with hippie culture taking root in the 1960s and spiritual retreats still attracting those seeking inner peace today. Would you prefer to visit Ibiza for its peaceful beaches and sunsets, or dive into its electrifying nightlife scene? Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through Spain's top destinations. I hope you found some exciting new places to add to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love to explore the world. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more travel tips, guides, and exciting adventures. I'd love to hear about your favorite Spanish destinations in the comments below, so feel free to share your thoughts. Until next time, happy travels.